Welcome to PFTV. Ke tswere se festival 3-3 draw and then Bafana ba lose ka di penalty. Overall game we won jwang?
3-0 win, not 3-3 draw. Swinny namhlanje. It's just unfortunate yeah, so it's a 3-0 win for us.
Yeah.
It's just unfortunate ukuthi a penalty someone is supposed to win and someone is supposed to lose. And at the end of the day, njengoba shilo awuthi someone has to take that penalty. Amagats umbuthuma anawo to walk up there and shoot ibhola phambi kwalabantu abaningi abangaka. But before ngichubeka ngicela ukunibulisa nonke lana siphuma thina abanye siphuma emakhaya nenhlonipho sibuye Orlando Pirates. Amakhaya nenhlonipho imize yeah. So yeah. Again, njengoba shilo awuthi someone has to take that penalty and umbuthuma had the guts to go and shoot that penalty. So semshayela izandla untwana. Sicela kumtshela umfana ukuthi ntwana sakuthanda boy. Sakuthanda boy. Umfukeng did the same thing. Did the same thing umfukeng against Jwaneng Galaxy simgezelanga izandla, but we're just saying ukuthi ntwana the same love esinika umfukeng we're going to give it to you. So yeah.
And then Reverie festival. I know maybe on your channel you'll express yourself as well. Reverie today, how would you rate him out of 10? I don't know. Mara ngathi na. Mawubheka complexion ngathi uzena.
Anisendele location yase hotel yakhe ke simbo. No, I'm kidding guys. I'm not promoting violence, but I'm just spreading love, and this is the love I'm spreading.
Exactly.
So yeah, again, starting 11 for coach. Besi sharp. Ngikhale mina lapha na kumbule na uNamtajela. One had to play. Not two of them. I'm a ball players la machita lawayana. We needed someone, at least for me I would have taken out Nemtajela and Fagumbat. Why? Because it delay Numbata sees it as a penalty spot for yen. Why? Each and every time I feel good delay Numbat, we are shy. Into sitting and I'm trying to sting player else shy. Lava banya lava njengoba sesihlame maybe let's say maybe 70 minutes sishaye so we 3. Sesifakele so we 3-0. That's when I can say mina take out Numbat and put in Namtajela. Why? Because we can manage a game ngayo mfana. So yeah.
And then when you saw Ilan up, surely you were surprised as well. We didn't have a striker. We played with only creative players. What did you think of the approach of coach Namhlanje?
I think the coach wanted to tire the guys out. I think he wanted to tire the guys out, but again, you have the excellence of Umakhopa. You have the excellence of Mbutuma. You have the excellence of Umabasa. Ne? Why ungafaki one? Because kule game learner, it's fine. Uspane grand into Spanish, but in 30 minutes if you can see good team by Vulegi, why can't you put in Umbutuma or Makhopa? Because you know those guys will stretch defense yako. Defend Makhopa or Mabasa Umbutuma Magaile lalandele defend. So I think ukuthi uyidlale kahle. However, 30 minutes babona ukuthi imbo by Vulegi. Do something.
Yeah. And then last question, Sepesival, who was your man of the match?
Before we get to man of the match, coach wait after EM108, but away. Coach, what's a successful season for you? He said, I have to take a league or a cave. Spumile ku cave. Mina ngicela ukuthi ke nine league nizobona. Nizobona. Just only shy yona. And mina I don't want to say ukuthi I have into. I don't want to give man of the match as to an individual. Ngicela ukunika ucoach mina. I know abantu abaningi bazoyidispute lento leyo. So yazi ukuthi le mvela abahlala bangithuka vele bathi ididi lento na yazi ibhola. Let me just say mina ngizoguy coach. Because the coach came into this game knowing what to do. Just unfortunate ukuthi ama-penalty akafikanga. And then again, i-season yokuqala ya Rivero ufike Orlando Pirates ingaqualifyanga ukungena ku-CAF. Ne? I think besihleli number 6 if I'm not mistaken. Wafika uRivero i-Pirates yangena kwi-CAF. Wenzakalani saphuma kunto kuma-penalty. Same situation namhlanje. Same situation which Jwaneng saphuma. Sabuya the following year, which was last year, and we became one of the scariest teams to play against. Ngicela ukuthi mina the type of football we play right now is Cop and Donor football. Next year bazokhala.